Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me today. Now, I've got so many products lined up, backed up, ready to do videos, that I've decided what I'm going to do is some shorter videos than I normally do. All right. And just churn out some of these products that I've bought recently, because otherwise I'm never going to catch up in time. Okay, now, do you remember a few weeks ago I talked to you about this kit from Charlotte Tilbury, which is the Pillow Talk Colour Chameleon and the Pillow Talk Smoky Pillow Talk? And you can get this in a set. I'm going to put the link below, and how it does such a really easy look. Okay, now this set, I'm going to put the price underneath, something like £29. Individually, these colour chameleons are £22. But in this particular set, there's something like 29. And you'll be seeing the proper price across the screen right now, okay? Now, as you also know, I've just recently become an Amazon associate, which means that if I recommend products to you from Amazon, then I get a little bit of commission. But I've already got things that I've bought from Amazon and that I love, and I want to show you. Now, there are some cream eyeshadows that I've had for a while, which I'm going to show you soon. But I wanted to try these, and I got these the other day, and it was another set. And I wanted to compare it with my Charlotte Tilbury ones, because this set, you can get these individually for £13, okay? And then you can get them as a set for £22. So cheaper than Charlotte Tilbury, perhaps not quite as cheap as complete drugstore, okay? But they're by Julep. And I bought this combination, which is, let me tell you the shade names: Taupe Shimmer and Stone Matte. Now, the reason I got Taupe Shimmer is because, again, it reminded me of the shade that I get from Charlotte Tilbury. That is for brown eyes, and I thought this is going to suit me. I'm just going to swatch at you here. Now, what I like about this set is, like the Charlotte Tilbury, there is one matte and there's one shimmer. But if you have a look on Amazon, you can get all sorts of combinations. There's about 4 or 5 combinations or individual. But I like this set because you've got the shimmer and the matte. And I'm going to show you just how easy it is to get a look with these. As I say, some really nice choice of shades, and a little bit cheaper than Charlotte Tilbury. Okay, let's get going. And I'm going to do this look in real time. I'm not going to speed it up, so that you can see how easy it is to do this look. Now the matte one. In the socket. And as you can see, I'm not particularly worried too much about being precise. And then I'm going to put the matte one underneath. And a little bit along that edge of my lash line. And there you have it. An eye look. Just got to clean up the sides. And you do have a decent amount of playtime with these. How's that for a quick look? Now all I need to do is put some mascara on and a nice bright lipstick, and I've got a makeup look. I would really recommend these. I'm going to come back slightly later so you can see how well they last. Right, I've just finished my makeup. I deliberately didn't want to do too much with eyeliner or anything like that, because I want you to see how easy this is to just put on. This is kind of rushing out the door makeup. Okay, now if you're wondering how I managed to get my eyelashes to curl quite as well today, stay tuned, because that's coming very soon. In the next couple of days, I'm going to put that out, because you'll be delighted to see that. And I'm very, very impressed with how it's making my eyelashes curl. So do stay tuned for that. You'll see me at the end with a little photograph of me a few hours later. Okay, but other than that, thank you so much for joining me. I'm trying to tidy up my hair at my pyjama party. I hope you like the look, and I'll see you all very soon. Mwah! So this is me straight after I applied the eyeshadow sticks, and then I fell asleep, and 9 hours later I took another photograph. Now you'll see it in a minute. I thought it lasted really, really well, actually, after 9 hours. The rest of my makeup perhaps not so good. So the only thing that I did notice is it did collect a little bit in the socket where my crease is, but that was after 9 hours. And I've got very hooded lids, so that's nothing unusual. But the rest of it, I mean, you just didn't notice, I think, on the eyes. Wore a lot better than my foundation, and I did reapply my lipstick, of course.